Okay, so this is an extension to view the tags of YouTube channel videos, YouTube videos. If you've been wondering what the tags your favorite YouTuber uses, or if you're planning to start your own YouTube channel, this should help you out. And as you can see here, I have my tags here. So this is just for a random video I found on YouTube, so I can actually change this to something like PewDiePie. I mean, who doesn't like PewDiePie? So PewDiePie videos show up. I click on one, and you can see there are tags here. So PewDiePie does not use a lot of tags. I mean, after all, he has like 111 million subscribers. Like, seriously, that's a lot of subscribers. Okay, so basically this extension is called YouTube tags. You can actually just go to Chrome Web Store and download it. I'm not sure about Mozilla, but this is for Chrome. But you should probably check on Mozilla if you're using that browser. So just install it, and then you can find every tag you want. So now you have any tag you want to use in your YouTube video, you can actually just use it. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel like I just did to PewDiePie, and also like the video like I just did. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.